Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to a new video. In this video, we will be discussing on the subject Internet and Web Page Design. This subject is for 6th semester BBA who have taken up IT as a specialization. In this subject, in the previous classes, we have already discussed about the concept of Internet, the history of Internet, the development of Internet, the application and uses of Internet, what is client server architecture and how it is applicable in the organization. In today's video we are going to discuss about three more topics, which are TCP/IP, transmission control protocol, and internet protocol. The second one is uniform resource locator or URL, and the third one is the World Wide Web. Let us start with TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. TCP/IP is a suite of communication protocol used to interconnect network devices such as laptop, desktop, smartphone, PDS on the internet. TCP/IP can also be used as a communication protocol in a private computer network such as an intranet or an extranet. For example, let us say within the office the communication takes place and the entire setup is called as the intranet. The second point is the entire Internet Protocol suite is a set of rules or procedures which is commonly referred to as TCP/IP, though there are other protocols which are included in the suite, which we will discuss later on. The third one says the TCP/IP specifies how data is exchanged over the internet by providing an end-to-end communication that identify how it should be broken into different data packets, how it should be addressed, and the route it has to decide to reach to the destination. The fourth point is the two main protocols in the Internet Protocol suite are TCP and IP. Each of them serve different purpose. The TCP defines how the application will create a communication across the network, and it is also responsible for fragmenting the message into small packets, and it is also responsible for reassembling those packets at the destination. The IP, on the other hand, decides which route each of those packets will take so that it reaches the destination as quickly as possible. And the sixth one says in the TCP/IP protocol suite there are three protocols apart from TCP and IP. The first one is HTTP, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is used for general internet surfing. The second one is HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secured, which is used for secure communication. For example, we are doing a banking transaction, then we need to have HTTPS. And the last one is File Transfer Protocol, which is very important. This protocol is responsible for uploading and downloading files onto the computer. So generally when we are downloading and uploading files in our laptop or desktop, FTP is the one which is responsible. The second topic is Uniform Resource Locator or URL. Generally, URL is the address of a resource on the internet. Here, resource means a web page or a website. A URL indicates the location of the resource as well as the protocol that is used to access it. That means generally the URL refers to the address of a web page and the protocol that is used in that particular web page. URL also contains the following information. It contains the protocol that is used. It also tells about the location of the server, and it also tells us about the location of the resource in the derived structure of the server. Generally, URL is also referred to as a web address. And for example, here in this case, the fourth point, the URL is HTTPS. So that means HTTPS is the protocol. So this is a secured communication that happens. Searchnet working dot tech target is the subdomain. .com is the main domain. Definition is the directory on that particular server, and the URL is the name of the file that we are trying to refer to. The third topic is the World Wide Web, or WWW. So WWW is a network of online content that is formatted in HTML and accessed via HTTP. HTML is called as Hypertext Markup Language, and this is the language that is generally used for designing the web page and the website. The term refers to all the interlinked HTML pages that can be accessed over the internet. The World Wide Web was originally designed in the year 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee while he was a contractor at CERN. Number 2, the World Wide Web. Mostly it is referred to as simply the web. The third one, the World Wide Web, is what most people think of as an internet, but there is a difference between the World Wide Web and the internet. The web, pages, picture, videos and other online content that can be accessed via the web browser. The internet, on the other hand, is the underlying network connection or the infrastructure that allows to send email or access the World Wide Web. Thanks for watching the video. Please check the description box below for more links on the discussed topic. Any doubts that you have, you can put in the comment section below.